It's so embarrassing, but I did not post it myself. I only share it with two persons. One of the person not even get a chance to watch the video. The other person telling me that they don't know how the video get out. I did not have the video anymore because the video didn't happen yesterday. That video was made a couple days ago. You understand? When I went to that hotel, I did not see him in any room. I did not enter a room. I couldn't tell where he's coming from. I only see him step out the elevator, right? I walked behind him and I was talking to him. He gave me attitude. So I take out my phone, go on a regular video and just saying Facebook Live and all of that. I was on Facebook because I don't even join Facebook. And I was saying that and say I caught him in a room with a man. I wasn't in a room. If I caught him in a room with a man, then I would start the video from inside the room. But we were in a parking garage, right? And I was walking behind him and saying all of that. And I want to say very deeply sorry to all the person that I called their names. You understand? It was just an heated moment, an ignorant moment. I'm going through so much with my husband. I'm not going to lie. You understand? And my cup run over. And just to know that he didn't came in and I go and look for him and find him. And I didn't see him with anyone. There is no one in the parking garage. I don't see anyone in there. It's just the both of us. When I wake him up and I said, "Feed their people," I throw piss on him. That was the tea. I have some tea in a cup and I throw it on him and I said, "I'm tired of what you're doing." You understand? This is ripping up my family right now. This is tearing us apart. There is so much things that there is so much backlash right now. I am getting so much. I feel very, very, very shame about it, right? Because I know it don't look good. He even cry, and I try to comfort him. I cry, and I tell him I'm very sorry because we both sit down and laugh at the video. And he said, "Ching, you think I really again?" I said, "No, just to ease at the moment and the shit you are doing." You understand? And we laugh and talk about it. We are okay after that. Till all of a sudden in the night, I think it was Tuesday night or Wednesday night, something like that, someone called him about the video and I said, "What video?" Then someone called me from Florida. I said, "What video?" Because I know I deleted it. I only share it with two close persons. I'm positive about that. So I just want to say I am very deeply sorry for what I did to him because people hearing it from me, his wife. So you have people going to believe people who know him that well know he is not a gay. And you have other people out there who are speculating because that's just people overall. Social media, that's just it. I'm trying to let him know, look, this is social media. It already gone viral. You understand? But we deep down know it is not so. But it hurts. It hurts. I see it happen to people and here how they talk about it and I did not experience it until now that it happened to me. It was something in a heat of a moment I did, but I did not put this thing viral. I did not send it to a lot of people, just two close friends. And then we just laugh about it. We talk about it, me and my husband and my daughter. We were so good. Until that night that someone called him, we was so good. We was living okay. Everything was okay. We was just living as normal, even though we have our little problems, normal like any human being. And I just want to clear it up and I want to apologize again to all the names that I called. I am deeply sorry to even involve any names in it because that was so rude of me. And I want to tell my husband again, I am deeply sorry for doing that. And he will share it with anyone because you can't trust people. And you have no one going to say, yes, they did and they're sorry. They're going to deny it. And I want to tell him, I know you're very hurt. I am here with you. I see everything. But if you continue to let people calling you, telling you what to do. Some people calling him, especially to my own culture, Jamaicans, telling him, you should kill the bitch. You should slap her in her face. You should run out the bitch out your house. The bitch is in his house. They're crying. This is our house. No one know about me and my husband lifestyle. No one. They only can speculate. So when a person gonna try to bribe him to do me something, that's not gonna make things better because he might do me something. What's gonna happen? They're gonna lock him up. He might get life imprisonment. Depends on what he do. You understand? So when people are like trying to bribe him to do stupidness and then calling everything, everyone keep on calling. We know it's viral. It's all over the world. It's in Jamaica. Everywhere you can think of. All over. People calling from all over. People calling me about it. I feel so ashamed. You understand? I want to apologize to my husband again. This is the lady that put out the video with her husband. Say she catch him in a hotel room with a man. He wasn't in there with a man. I did not even go into a room. I saw my husband coming out the elevator right at the lobby. I turned back and went outside. We go up to the garage, and there I'm asking him questions. He giving me so much attitude, so much disrespectful words, and it really hurt. I take out my phone and just go on a regular video and do something stupid that I even share with someone, and they put it out there, and then people take it around and put it viral. It's very embarrassing on my side. I take responsibility for everything, and I'm deeply sorry, and I love my husband very much, and he know that very much. But because of all of this, everything is just turning. My house is just unbelievable right now. You understand? And I have to blame myself, because if I didn't make a video and share it with anyone, it wouldn't be on social media. I blame myself. But people, I am telling you out there, the honest and living truth. I can swear on my kids and my Bible. My husband is not a bad man. He's not a faggot. It's just the heat of the moment and what I'm going through. I am going through so much, regardless. But I say some things that I shouldn't. And at the same time, even if I did, I shouldn't video it. And even if I video it, I shouldn't even share it with any close friend, because they can't trust, not even your own. But I did, and it went out there. You have no honor, but I'm positive I did not give it to anyone. I did not post it. I even said Facebook Live. I am not on Facebook. If I want to look for anything on Facebook, my husband can tell you. I go on Facebook and on his page and maybe scroll and look, and that's it. I don't join social media but WhatsApp. That's me. I am a nice person, but everybody has their flaws. Everybody goes through things in life. And my husband knows I love him so much. And I would never do anything bad to hurt him. And I would never put it on anything myself. I just share it. And someone just do all of that. I have no owner, but I know it's only two persons. And I deeply apologize to him again. I apologize to his friends out there that are put him into a negative and say, oh, you didn't know you was this and that. He isn't. But because of the disrespect that's going on here, I have feelings too. But I take it and put it the wrong way. Right? Yeah, you can deal with things a different way, but sometimes when vexation, they say in Jamaica saying customers don't bring good words. And we all know that. And the most of the people who are doing all of this is Jamaicans, because he have a lot of Jamaicans and he's American, but he loves Jamaican people. And all of the people that say he is his friend, they are friends. They are the one who's doing all of this. They are the one who's taking off pictures, virally out, saying bad things, and then even when some of them call him and he said anything, they go back, they post it, they pass it around. Those are not friends. And I'm asking all of you out there who really know my husband, stop calling, telling him negative things. We're not the first person who things happen to on social media, and we're not going to be the last. But it's all of we human beings take things. You understand? And I'm deeply sorry again for all the names I called. I apologize. I remember I called one person in there, and I apologized to him so bad yesterday. I cried. I told him I'm so sorry. It's just the ease of the moment, which I know he's not a gay. He's not a Batman. He's not a faggot. That is a 100% thick shit. My husband is not an automatic. I am telling you that. And when I know I did that, they hear it from his wife, so people are gonna believe. But I'm clearing up this today. I am apologizing to everyone that rate my husband so much, respect him. I am deeply sorry for what I did from the bottom of my heart. I am hurting just as it is. I can't even eat. I am throwing up every minute because I'm so sick of it. And I can't even throw up anything because I'm not eating. That's how I feel. He cried. I never see my husband cry yesterday and this morning because people keep on calling. And no matter how I try to comfort him, it's not working, because each time we try to get together, the phone go off again and he keep on answering and listening. So all of the negative things coming in, it's not making things better. I know I screwed up this, and I know this is our life, and even if this caused our breakup, it's all on me. But story don't go one way. Everything is a reason. Everything that said something go wrong for things to come out, ignorance to happen, it doesn't happen like that. But because some of the other story didn't come out, and if that one came out, all of the